Garments defects, causes and remedies. Crease mark. Causes: imperfect tension. If the percentage of thread and fabric shrinking is not the same. If the time isn't exactly right. Remedies: perfect tension is the best solution. The percentage of thread and fabric shrinkage must be the same. Needle hole. Causes: due to the missing needle. Insufficient cleaning, breakage of yarn at a knot, extremely tight yarn twist. Remedies: thoroughly cleaning the machine. An air gun is used to eliminate dust. Check with a broken needle. Seam slippage. Causes: fabrics with low no of warp and weft yarns. The fabric on either side of the seam distorts as the fabric yarns slide away, resulting in a permanent gap. Remedies: increase seam allowance. Use a higher stitch density. Opt for a lapped fell seam. Ropey hem. Causes: it is one that doesn't lay flat and appears crooked. Remedies: typically brought on by careless operator handling. Tell the sewer to make sure the hem is properly started in the fabric before they begin sewing. A folder. Watch out for excessive holding back when the seam is being sewed. Apply the lightest possible roller or press a foot pressure.